Hey guys, Coach 𝐸𝐻𝐸 here. Welcome back to another video. If you're watching this for the first time, welcome. If you've been here before and you haven't smashed that subscribe button and turn on notifications to learn more about how to make money online, make sure you do that. All right. So anyways, in today's video, this is going to be a training chat, and I'm going to talk to you about how you can make money online selling digital courses. Okay. I myself have made thousands of dollars online with this system that I'm showing you today and talking about. I made over $24,000 selling digital e-learning courses. Now is the time where everyone is home, and guess what they're trying to do online? Not only make money, they're trying to learn how to get better at making money online, right? People are realizing that they need to learn skill sets because people don't want to be in this situation 6 months from now, a year from now. So now is the time to be not only yourself learning how to sell digital courses, but realizing that you're in a good place because a lot of people, e-courses right now are one of the biggest sellers, period, right now. E-commerce, selling things and selling courses is one of the hottest things. So I'm going to go over how you can do that and what you really need to know to make selling digital courses work for you. All right. So I'm going to hop over to another screen real quick. Okay, so the thing to know about selling digital courses, and I want to talk about what is a major problem. There's amazing training in this system called the Affiliate Marketing Cheat Code, which tells you how you can level up fast in affiliate marketing when you understand some things. And I'm going to walk you through it because these are things that I'm like, wow, I'm glad the system has explained these things because no one explained this to me when I first started online. So the first thing to know about making money online fast with digital courses is to understand that most people who come online, they feel stuck in affiliate marketing. They get frustrated, they give up, they quit. And a lot of that is because they don't have an understanding of how affiliate marketing works and how you can make it simple for yourself. And a lot of that comes down to really understanding what your job is and what your job isn't. Okay. A lot of people come online and first of all, they have a fear of sales because they think that that's what your job is. And your job is not at all to do sales. Okay. This is how you can make thousands in digital e-learning courses if you understand that your job is not to sell anything at all. Let me explain the difference between marketing and sales before we jump into this training. So there's a difference between marketing and sales. Marketing is simply the ability to attract customers to your capture page, and therefore you let the system do the rest. Again, an ability to attract customers to your capture page. That's marketing. That's it. Sales is where you have to communicate your ideas to convert them into cash. Most people can't think that hard, and they don't want to. I don't want to think that hard. So I like that my job is simple. My job is to simply attract people to my capture page and let my system do the rest. Let me show you something, show you that I know what I'm talking about. So again, keeping in mind that your job as a marketer, a professional marketer, is just to simply learn how to attract people to your capture page. That's it, right? You're not convincing anybody to buy anything that you have. You're not convincing people to learn from digital courses. You're learning to attract, right? So using that formula, one of our, my team is called Team Cash Blueprint. One of our members, Robert Berry, and they said this bonus training is worth over $2,000, and it is. And here, just putting this formula into use, knowing that his job is on to attract, right? And not to convert, not to sell, things like that. He got someone in his inbox asking him for information about getting access to this system and these digital courses that are inside the system. And that's what is the major difference between marketing and selling. Okay. Having to convince people, all those things like that. So let me get out of here for a second. Okay. So now that I've explained what that difference is, I want to also talk about understanding why selling e-courses using an affiliate model can make you thousands. Because here's the thing, when you join most MLM companies, you're only going to make you're going to get paid off a team volume pretty much. Okay. That's pretty much how that works. And your income can collapse. You have to be very careful how you build with MLM companies because your income can collapse. If your team isn't duplicating, your team isn't doing these things, then your income collapse. With affiliate marketing, you are essentially an army of one, and you can sell thousands of dollars in courses, because here's the thing, your only job is to refer someone to your website, which is already done for you. And, you know, affiliate marketing is not anything new. Companies like Walmart, you know, Amazon, Best Buy, Old Navy, they all have these, programs where if you refer someone to their website, you get a percentage of the sale. This is what we do. So I just want to take you over and show you, you know, what you need, the mechanisms you need to have in place to be able to make thousands of dollars in sales. What you need to have is a franchise system. Okay, $25 one up, the system that I use to be able to provide to people e-learning courses. And let me show you what they are before I take you over to show you how the system works. You know, I have, what I do is provide access to people to not only make commissions from home, but to learn via e-learning digital courses how to be better marketers, how to be better at marketing. Okay. And right now is all the rage, especially, here's the thing to know, you know, a lot of people stay in the make money online niche. I can tell you right now that in small business groups, entrepreneur groups, there's tons of entrepreneurs literally looking for this information. How do I market on Facebook? How do I market on YouTube? How do I market on Instagram? Because they are now forced to move their businesses online. They don't know how to market online, right? This is a way you make thousands of dollars leveraging e-learning digital courses. Okay, so in this course, or in this system, not only do you get access to the ability to make commissions for being essentially a reseller of this mini franchise, meaning that the system's already done for you. You don't gotta put together the course. You get a page that presents the information and explains everything, and your job is just to attract people to your capture rate. That's your job. Okay, now these are some examples of the e-courses. They're full courses on Facebook training, video courses, and e-learning is it's not a new industry. It's a over 21-year industry, and millions of dollars. You know, Grant Cardone, this is what he does. He sells digital courses. Ty Lopez sells digital courses. Right? I think his courses are overpriced, but that's what he does, right? This is what he does. Right? He sells digital courses. So this is an industry that pays thousands of dollars a year. All right. Now let's look at how to keep this simple. The system gives you access to pre-done funnel pages that does all the explaining. Okay. Keep it in mind your job as a marketer, and then the system goes to work explaining. Okay. So once someone gets in your capture page, then the system explains what it is, how it does, how it works, how they could get started. And on the back end is tied to autoresponder, and the system sends out pre-done emails explaining to the person how they can get started and reminding them to take advantage of this system and to go ahead and get started. One of the pages that I use is right here, and it's already done for you. It explains very simply what the system is, that there's no monthly fees, that the person can earn $25, $100, $250, $500, and $1,000 commissions. And this is legitimate. Like, this is not like, oh, you're just earning, you're getting a commission for someone joining the program. No, you're providing someone with very valuable, tangible digital marketing training so they can learn how to be an efficient, productive, profitable marketer online. And they can then resell that information to other people who are looking to not only make instant commissions, but to also learn how to be a better marketer online. I'm telling you that there's tons of people right now online looking to get better at doing that, because their businesses, their standalone businesses literally shut down, and they have to move their businesses online. I mean, come on, guys. So this is what it is, right? So then you got the page, okay? It explains everything about the system. They put in their email address, and then, okay, so once the person hits that button, they're immediately going to be led to a page where it explains how the system works, what they get, and immediately there will be a button for them to join with you in this franchise system, where they're going to get access to e-courses to be better at marketing, and you know, and rock, online marketing. And that's what it's about. So let me just repeat what you really need to do to make money online fast using e-learning. One, you need to understand what your job is and what your job isn't. Your job is marketer, leading people to your capture page. That's your job, attracting people to your capture page. Okay. And that's what, again, back to the Team Cash Blueprint bonuses. That's what I show people how to do, is how to attract people to them, and not have to work hard. Nobody wants to be chasing people. Okay. So that's your job as a marketer versus sales. My job is not to sell, not doing that. Okay. Understand that as an affiliate marketer, you get, a percentage of, a sale. Okay. And that major corporations already do this. Amazon, this and other. With this company, you get 100% instant commissions. Okay. You pay a small admin fee to the company for use of your system, for use of your franchise. And franchising isn't anything new. Again, e-franchising isn't anything new. Grant Cardone does this. Ty Lopez does this. You are in position to be able to do the same thing. And this system allows you to earn, 25, 125, 250, 500, and $1,000 commissions. Okay. Now keep in mind, if you want access to my Team Cash Blueprint, you need to position yourself at platinum or higher. But for $135, you can get started and start a home business. Now there's additional packages that you can join and position yourself and earn even larger commissions of $250, $500, and $1,000. All right. So that's it. That's what you need to understand about, making money with digital courses. Is you just literally have to have a system that teaches you the knowledge. You can become a reseller of that knowledge. Right now, it's a very in-demand industry right now, e-learning. If you don't believe me, go Google it. E-learning is one of the fastest growing industries right now. Okay. So look it up if you don't believe me. And that's it. And then behind the scenes, this system has an automated system, right? A capture page, a sales page that explains, and an autoresponder tied to it that follows up and sends out messages on your behalf to people who came into your system from you attracting to you using the blueprint, right? People who are looking for a system just like this, who are looking for instant commissions, who are looking for e-learning, to be better at marketing. Okay, that's it. In the next video attached to this, you're going to see where my members share even more about what they love about my bonus, which is way more worth more than the investment in this program, because I really actually show people how to leverage social media to market, brand themselves, and to create profitable income streams online. That's it. Smash the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video, my friend. Bye-bye. Wait, before you go, I will not do you any service if I don't tell you about my team bonuses. Okay, these my team is called Team Cash Blueprint, and these are bonuses that I put together to help people get set up and know exactly what to do and to get in profit mode as soon as possible. Okay, you will not find these bonuses anywhere. Trust me, I know. I have tons of people in my inbox from other places, other teams, other companies, and they're like, I want access to your bonuses. Well, let me tell you what you get when you join Team Cash Blueprint. Okay, first thing you're going to get is you're going to get access to the actual Team Cash Blueprint community. Okay, that is my tribe of people. I am in there pouring and value into that tribe. The team works together collectively. It's good to be around people who are other go-getters because we're not naturally self-motivated. Second thing you're going to get access to is a 14-day posting guide. Okay, that's going to walk you through step by step how you can get your profile and turn it into ATM in 14 days or less. Okay, it's also going to walk you through what you need to do to be able to build leads and sales. Every Thursday, I give Q&A sessions and social media training, showing people how to leverage social media, whether it be their profile, whether it be YouTube, showing them exactly what I do and what I've done to be able to build over $24,000 with this system. All right. I want to take you through what some of my members are saying in the community. This is Robert, and he's one of our Blueprint students. And he said, this is a really good engagement builder. This stuff really works. Implement what's being taught. And he's already getting much better engagement, and it's led to many sales for him. So congrats to him. I'm going to take you through a couple other comments. So I did a social media training, and someone said in the group, and he said, I think with this post alone, we can never say we don't have ideas for content. Okay. Nene said, this bonus training was so worth it. $2,000 worth of information for free to help us bag it. Thank you, Shin. All right. Then over here, Robert's also talking about how the strategies in the Cash Blueprint community also led him to not only get leads, right? Not chasing people, but to have leads coming to him and he's able to close more sales. And he said, this is the power of putting your business out there and staying consistent. The way we market out there is very different from everyone else out there. Hey, Robert wanted, and somebody just basically wanted more information and gave their contact information. All right. And then lastly, Robert also said, I love the simple, easy to follow cash blueprint that our team is following to get the most out of this blueprint. Terry, who said all of the tools, resources, and support to be successful in this business. And then he said, this training is slay. New idea on how to sell online. Thanks, Kirkshinta, for giving out your best self. And again, she's also showing that over here on the right, that people are reaching out to her to join, to sign up, to get information, and she's not having to chase people. And that's what I give people through the Team Cash Blueprint community. All right, so if you are looking to join the Team Cash Blueprint community, all you have to do is join at Platinum. And that's it. Okay. Platinum is a one-time $135, and that's it. You have a business in a box and you have a community that is there to support you as in your money-making online journey. And it can help you learn the skill sets that you need for a lifetime to be able to make money online. That's it. Smash that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.